Okay, something I want to share with you. This is my original Spellbound. Okay, watch very carefully. Show the coin, both sides. Okay, now watch. I'm going to take the coin. I'm just going to change it right before your very eyes, just like that. You get the coin. Okay. So here's my original Spellbound. I do it from an exposed angle. Palm of the Chinese coin. Okay. You're going to start off by using the cap subtlety from the side. Being careful not to show. You're showing it both sides here. Flipping it around with your fingers. Okay. Your hands need to be empty. From the front, it's going to be completely empty. Okay. But you're actually palming here. Now watch. When you open up your sleeves, you kind of make a little cup here. What happens is, from the back view, watch from behind. This comes down. It's going to drop straight down. Look. Into your sleeve. It's absolutely amazing. It will completely fry or fool anyone. I don't care if you're a magician. You're going to be fooled by this. This is incredible. It's sleeving with your sleeves rolled up. So check it out. Amazing. Blow people away. Nobody can do that.